Well, we're about to take a little road trip to Pennsylvania. Am I set? Are you set?
Oh, yeah.
Are you dip set? Dip set?
Which that's fine if it doesn't. I was just curious.
As we say, the majority of the time, if it has the magma ride, is how you get the backwards. So yeah, okay. You guys need water or anything, Bo? Need water?
I'm good, man. Thank you.
I'm okay. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Well, what's this guy think?
I like it so far.
Holy shit. So it's pretty comfortable as far as when you were sitting?
Oh, yeah.
First test drive? Dirty boy. Ooh.
Yeah, I don't know my way around it all, so you just have to...
Yeah, I got you. Make it right out of here then.
Nasty dog. So Eric, what are we doing today, man?
we are adding some good sounds to this V8 that it deserves.
Oh, okay. And we got this pile over here. What is that? What do we got there?
So we've got a AWE Touring Catback exhaust system.
Okay, okay. And you looked through a lot before choosing this, didn't you?
A lot of stuff, and this one by far was the lowest, deepest tone, which is what I was looking for. A lot of that probably due to the H pipe instead of the X pipe. And I wanted to be a little different. A lot of people go with Corsa, Borla, Flowmaster, and for me, man, this was just what I was looking for. So.
All right, shit. You could push this across the line or tow it. So any tips for anyone trying to do this?
Definitely use a lift or find a friend that has a lift.
Got it. And you said the hanger, they had little hooks so you can undo that and then...
You can undo all your bolts, and then when you're ready, you just unhook everything, lift up and pull out.
Cool. So now we're left with all this here. Piece together. Back, baby. Rotate it. Yep, perfect. Let me know if you need a hand, by the way, sorry. That's what she said. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Out of sight, out of mind.
Turn up for sure. Make sure I got this the right direction. I think this must be on for this side. Going like that, and then it would hang.
So I'm gonna hold that. Oh man, I think it's snuggy. Oh yeah. Yes. Ah, I see what you're doing, Eric. I see.
You want to face them both in?
Just put it on and then back direction.
Yes.
Right. I'm going to get this away from here. Did I get it away?
Yes, sir. This side. Now the little pull away. Okay. Right there? Too much. And then I broke the bolt and then fucked up. It's good. Right, but sounds up.
Freaking Julio, man. Coming in clutch. Yeah.
Pretty damn close.
Wow.
Can I do one more adjustment?
Yes.
I just want to pull this inner tip out a little bit. Like a quarter inch.
Do it. Let's do it. How you doing? I want to hear. That's the only thing I want to see now.
Plus you'll be able to see the logo, like where they're aiming.
Oh yeah.
Straighten them out.
All level.
I'll drop it down something like that.
Crazy, man. Crazy. This boy crazy. Thanks again to Julio for coming in clutch. Alright, well we just wrapped up, Eric. We got anything left to do besides sucking up blow pop?
About it.
Good day's work. Thanks again to Julio coming in clutcho. Yeah. You ready to lower this thing and fire it up, bro? Look at the freaking lollipop, man. Oh, jeez.
Take a ride over there to here if you like. Yeah. That's perfect. It's not too loud, but
That's crazy, man. Wow.
it sounds really nice.
Shoot, all thanks to you, man. It's hot. Can't make Klein do shit.
Thanks.
Oh, yes. Hell yeah. Oh, you don't even know. You don't even know what I think. You do not need to know what I think. Yeah. It sound good inside the car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's like loud, but not too loud.
Oh my God, goosebumps. Freaking goosebumps, man. You can hear, as you were coming too, right here, you hear like, oh. You can already freaking hear it.
Sounds good, man.
You can't even put a price on that.
Perfect, man. Not too loud, not too quiet. Just right in the middle.
Wow.
No rasp, no drone.
Anything you want to say to AWE and American Muscle?
Thank you so much for making an awesome kit. Best kit for the Mustang, in my opinion, by far.
That's awesome. But that's all, folks. And we're gonna go for a little drive and you know, go see from that area. Ooh, shit. Good lordy. That's what I was looking for. Oh, and clutch, man.
I'm sure it's probably louder outside the car than in here.
Well, we already know what it sounds like from the outside. Also, when you downshift, you only downshift when you're like below a certain RPM. Like you don't, like you would never downshift if you're at like 3 or 4 to the next gear.
You don't want it, if you downshift too low of a gear, the RPMs will like shoot up like too high.
Right. So you only want downshift to the next gear if you're at 1 or 2 maybe, or 3 even.
Yeah.
That's the safest.
Something kind of close.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man, that you can just hear it hitting the houses.
We ain't even in a park garage yet.
Not even in a tunnel.
That coyote's barking.
I mean, it's howling.
It's hard to beat the sound of a Mustang, man. Chevy can try.
Never thought I'd ever hear this guy say that.
It's true, man. I've always loved the sound of Mustangs over Chevys. Thing's breathing.
Gozer to Gozerian. I mean, Gozer would be the perfect tag for this car. I mean, memory up.
could have wanted.
Yeah. Sounds so good. Freaking touring, man.
Yeah, and I love that when you like get on it, it doesn't get to a point where it's like like sounds like bad. It keeps the growl. You know?
Yeah.
Or I feel like the track edition probably gets like high pitched sound. Not that that's horrible, but I don't know, for me.
There's a track edition of this? AWE?
Yeah, they have this on the track edition. And the track's louder.
Yeah.
It's also cheaper. I feel like this is the quality system. It's pretty much this kit, but without the mufflers. Like it's just got the H pipe and then those resonators.
Right, and then
I think
straight out.
Straight pipe.
I got it. I got you.
So you lose that deepness.
Yeah. I love it, man. It kind of reminds, I'm not gonna lie, it kind of reminds me of Flowmasters.
Yeah.
That kind of that chambered, hollow sound that I like.
I agree with that.
You know, that's. Yeah. Police are out today, sir.
Yeah. They were down the other end too.
Yeah. Yeah. So we forgot to take the wrapper off on that. We forgot to take the wrapper off. We drove at least 15 miles maybe. What time is it right now?
At least midnight.
It's definitely after midnight.
Witching hour.
Witching Eric. I'll probably try the sides, honestly. Probably easier jacking point. I feel like the front. Yeah, I feel like there should be a good jacking point underneath. Like, oh.
Hope it's not that jacking.
Hope he's not that jacking, huh? It's like on the beam, is there like a solid like weld that looks like a lip? Usually there's an arrow too, maybe? You could...
I got something. Nothing. Oh, there. Yep. Gotta start it, man. Just can't get it finished.